This is Gardner Auto Parts again. Next up for inventory, 2008 Nissan Altima, stock number 85423. Engine drives good. It's a 3.5 SE. Quarter's got a little damage there. Door has a little damage, but not a big deal. Decent rims, but they got some curb rash on them. We're gonna go ahead and start it up for you. Runs very smooth. We'll give it some rev up. Rev it up. That's really good. I'll turn the radio on for you so you can hear it.
Little breeze, little surf. Anyway, we found the top beach.
Check the amp, check the radio, check all the switches. Got very cold air conditioning. It's got tan interior. Let us know if you need any parts. GardnerAutoParts.com.